Hello. So in previous video, I talked about the waterfall model. So today I talking about the spiral model. So spiral model is also called the iterative model or incremental model. This model is called incremental model because the customer keeps adding the module after every cycle. It is called an iterative model because the steps keep on repeating. So this model is divided in basically four stages. So we see in waterfall models, waterfall model follows all the seven stages which are in SDLC. So, but in spiral model, we have only the four stages. So the first stage is requirement and feasibility study. So in spiral model, in first stage of spiral model, basically understand the requirement and and the feasibility study stage is also done in the first stage. And the second stage is design. So in second stage, architect design the architecture of the software or application. Um, uh, HLD and LLD means high level design and low level design both. And then the fourth stage is coding. So in coding stage, using the low level design, developer design the applications. And the fourth stage is testing. So in testing stage, tester tests the applications and find bugs. So these four stages are going to the repeatedly. So this all about the spiral model. So let's see the how the spiral model works. So in module one, so module A, for example, module A. Let's say customer gives module A in stage one. So in stage one, customer gives us module A. So we do requirement collection and feasibility study, and later on it is moved to design stage where architects will do HLD and LLD and will be moved to the coding stage where developer will look into the requirement and low level design and start writing the code. Later on, the module is moved testing. Tester will test to find bugs and if the module is stable or not. If the module is stable, it will be released to the customer. So this all about the module A. But the customer again want to add the module B. So the module B, customer gives us module B. In stage one, we do requirement collection, feasibility study. Later on, it moves to design stage, where architect will do HLD and LLD, and will move to the coding stages, where developer will look into the requirement and LLD and start writing the code. Later, once the module is moved testing here. So the tester need to then in module B, tester need to test for module B, and tester need to test for module A, and then later data flow between the module A and module B needs to be tested. And then once the modules are stable, we can release to the customer. Then module C, customer gives module C. In stage one, we do requirement collection and feasibility study. Later on, it's moved to the design stage. Architect complete the design part and then move to the coding stage, where developer will look into the requirement and LLD and start the writing the code. So later, once the module is moved, the testing here. So in testing phase, tester need to test module C and then tester need to test for module B. Then tester need to test for module B. After completing all three modules tested, then later test the data flow between module A and B. Then test the data flow between module A and C. Finally, once there are no bugs and if the modules are stable, it will be released to the customers after completing all all the modules. And once the customer stop their requirement, then the models will be closed and released to the customer. So that's all about the spiral model. So the spiral model is basically The spiral model is basically look like this means spiral or circular form. So first stage is our requirement collection and feasibility, then testing, then coding. Uh, sorry, sorry. First is requirement collection and feasibility, then designing part, then coding part, then testing part. So these four the four stages are in spiral model. So this all about the spiral model. We move to the spiral model because in waterfall model we have some disadvantages, like in waterfall model we're not able to backtracking is not possible because means the customer if customer want to add any updation or any requirement, so it's not able to do it. Customer need to wait for the complete the entire cycle till to the maintenance. So this one is drawback, and the another drawback of waterfall model is requirement and the design part is not tested. That's the reason the defect tracking means bug is still bug is still still go to the tester part. So the in testing phase lots of bugs are there. So that's the reason we go into the spiral model. So, but in spiral model also we have some disadvantages because spiral model also look like same as a waterfall model. So like means waterfall model we also need to complete the all stages, and in spiral model also need to complete the all four stages. Then we able to add any requirement of customer. So this one disadvantages is there in spiral model. And another disadvantage is means yes, this is the disadvantages of spiral model is means all those stages are not tested. We test only the testing phase. It's not tested the requirements and design phase. So this is the disadvantages of spiral model. So thank you. Next video I talk about the another model. Thank you.